How to send custom email on Google Form submissions. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to send emails or reply to specific emails on submissions from Google Forms. So first you want to open up your Google Forms and then make sure you're signed into your account and go to your form that you're trying to create. Now you want to go to the settings tab and expand responses and make sure collect email addresses is enabled by setting it to responder input like this. Now after doing that, you want to click on the three vertical dots next to your profile logo and then click on get add-ons. And once this window is open, you should see at the beginning here mail merge. You want to click on install to install this add-on, click on continue. And it should ask you to sign in again to confirm this action. After doing so, you should allow it and it should be installed to your form. And once it's done, you want to click on the done button and close this. Now you can go back to responses right here. And then you want to click on the add-ons icon and click on mail merge. Then you want to click on start. And to set it up, you'll need to configure these settings. Now in the settings page, you want to set this to yes. For send this email on a form submit, set to yes. And then this is basically the email that's going to be sent from, which is your Google email or your Gmail. And this is display name of the email sent to the submitters. This is the subject, which you can change and customize. Also, this is the body template. You can click on edit and basically create a template for your email. So this is basically a personal preference, but for the test, I'm going to say hello. And you can customize this as well if you want to. So for the test, I'm just going to type that. Now keep in mind this, the free trial is limited. It can only send 20 email notifications, and you will need to upgrade to the unlimited version if you want to do more. Now after doing all of that, click on save. Now to test this, you want to click on the add-ons mail merge and then click on start. And once it's opened the settings page, you want to click on send test and it will take you to your form where you will need to enter your email. And to test this form, you can fill out the form like this and basically click on submit, and it will tell you that your response has been recorded. And if you open up your Gmail account, you should receive an email like this, which says hello, or the template or whatever we specified in the settings. So basically, any person who submitted the form should receive an email like this. And you can customize it however you like, the title and the from name and everything that you want. And that's pretty much it. Thank you guys for watching and subscribe.